Okay, so I'm recording all of this using OBS, and so what we're proposing is to use just OBS to bring in all of your cameras and actually not even replace the ATEM constellation. You can see I've got different cameras brought in here. This right now is one shot. I've got a table shot here that is another camera that I've got brought in, and then I've got my angle shot here, which is another camera that I have brought in. So all of these, I've got 3 cameras brought in. I can also do a display capture. I can do all kinds of stuff within OBS. So since you already have OBS, only thing that we need to add is a few capture cards. So we bring the SDI that's coming from your cameras instead of coming to the constellation. We come to 3 separate capture cards, which are just basically about the size of a deck of cards, that bring it into the computer over USB. So you're going to have a PC to get this done, because you're going to need 3 USB ports. They're not going to operate well on a USB hub or anything like that, because each one of them draws its power from the computer. So we would like to propose it that way, just because the constellation is expensive and you're not really getting any more bang for the buck by replacing the hardware rather than going completely to a software solution. So anyway, so I'm going to send you a proposal to actually do the 3 capture cards. I'll send you a proposal as well for replacing the constellation and all the other things that were damaged in the electrical surge. But I would like for you to consider simplifying everything by using the capture cards and doing everything through OBS. All right, so just let me know what you think, and you can give us a call, 870-814-0714, or just email me back, jerry@bensberg.tech. Thanks.